enhancing the landscape design ideas for garden decoration, farmhouse, cottage, backyard, tour with a planter decoration ideas. Welcome back to our channel. We are explore enhancing landscape design and decoration garden. Today we are talking to you tour of farmhouse, cottage, backyard garden filled with our charming planter ideas and the inspiration landscape. Let's dive in. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Add a character to your garden with a rustic planter and containers. Repurpose old barrels and craters and baskets to showcase your favorite flower and herbs, infusing your outdoor space with a vintage charm and personality. Maximize space and create visual interest with a vertical gardening solution. Install layers, arbors and hanging planters and showcase flying vines, climbing rows and cascading flowers, adding height and dimension to your garden and design. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas. So if you like the ideas, first of all like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining. Bye bye.